Hi, my name is Ray Scarpelli III. I'm one of the owners here at the dealership, and I've been here, I guess, kind of my whole life. Full-time, I'm going on 8 years now. I spent some time between both stores, but I'm one of the main points of contact as far as the family for our CDJR store. What makes us different here at the Ray Auto Group is our raised price promise. Everybody qualifies for our online price. We don't do any games or gimmicks with our pricing online. And in the age of what we're doing online, e-commerce, buying things on Amazon, all these different things, I want to make it, and our family believes in making it a quick, easy, and transparent buying process. So that's part of what we do here. We also play a large role in our community between doing our USO barbecue for the troops, which we host that every year. We do some pet adoptions. We also do some food drives. We also have Ray's Big Play program, which we support some local high school athletic programs. So for us, being involved in the community, it's really important. So our dealership just isn't a place to do a transaction, but we also believe in supporting our community and our citizens around us here in the Fox Lake area. So please come on in and see us in Fox Lake.